welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are doing great. Today in this particular video, I'm going to show you what all I have inside my handbag. 2 years back, I did the same video on my YouTube channel, and back then also you guys loved it. So I thought I can definitely go ahead and do an updated version of what is in my handbag. Let me tell you something about my handbag, and that is I carry my whole world inside my handbag. Once I start revealing everything, you will understand, and I hope you will like it. Also, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram profile and my Facebook page, please go ahead and do so. I update so many content over there and you guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna mention the link in the description box. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel or you're seeing this page for the first time, please join my community and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. So this is my handbag. It is from this brand called Series and I really like it. It is in a pastel pink color. I don't know if the camera is picking up the actual color, but it is a pastel pink color. I'm gonna open my bag and show you everything. So firstly, you're gonna find my phone because this is very important. Whatever I'm gonna take out, I'm gonna keep it behind me, or I'm gonna put it inside my bag only because in that way it will be easier. Then I have a notebook and a pen. Where is my pen? So I always like to carry a notebook and a pen. I'm not a very gadget sort of a person. I don't like to take my notes on my phone. I always like to take a notebook and write it down. So that is the reason I have the notebook. Then I have my comb. I use a wooden comb. I made a video few months back where I have said that I particularly like to use wooden comb. It helps in preventing hair fall. So this is my wooden comb that I carry. Next I have my marks, which is very important. I carry 2 to 3 marks every day because in case if I lose any, then I can use the second one or the third one. You can carry at least 2 marks every day inside your handbag. Also, don't forget to carry your sanitizer. My sanitizer is also inside my handbag. I have to just find it out. Next I have 3 lipsticks. Okay, if you know me like a little tiny bit also, you would know that I love collecting lipsticks and I think it is one of my favorite makeup products. So I have 3 at this particular moment. Usually I have 4 to 5 also. This particular one is from Miss Claire. It is in the shade number 26. Definitely give this one a try. It is a perfect replica of the MAC one. Then I have this crayon from Sugar, and seeing the size you can totally understand how much I love it. So this one is a peachy nude color, and what is the shade name? Wait. This one is 18 Rosalind. I love this color. This is a perfect nude for daily wear. And the third lipstick is this one. This one is from MAC and the shade number is Tailored to Tease. I love this color. If you are going for a party and if you are wearing this, then you are going to turn heads. Like any other girl, I have my purse. I don't carry a purse, I carry this kind of wallet. I got it from like an Instagram store. I don't remember the store's name right now, but as you can see, the wallet is very funky and I really like it. Then I have this body lotion. This particular body lotion is from 9 to 9 and the name is Soul Soothing Moisturizer from Super Smelly. I particularly like this moisturizer. I recently started using it and it is really nice. The products, like the ingredients, are argan oil, shea butter, avocado oil and many other things. You need to pump a little bit of the product and you can apply it all over your body. Just because I have dry skin, I particularly like to carry a body lotion inside my handbag. It is a must for me. Also, this particular product is paraben mineral oil silicone free, which is great. Also, this particular product is non-oily, non-greasy, and once I apply it onto my body feels really hydrated throughout the day. Also, if I feel really dehydrated, like if I have to go to a movie or if I have to go to a restaurant where the AC is really high, like the temperature is low, then I feel again very dry. In that case, I need to apply moisturizer again and again, so I carry this one in my handbag. This particular product is made for all skin type. Also, anyone above the age of 7 can go ahead and use this product. I have a coupon code called RIA25. You can use my coupon code to get 20% off on supersmelly.in. I'm going to mention everything in the description box. Also, it will make your skin very smooth. So that is the reason I carry this in my handbag. Next I have is this mint. I don't need to explain you why you guys need mint. I always carry a box of mint inside my handbag. Then I have my compact powder. Whenever I feel I need to do some sort of touch up, I go to the washroom and use this product. The next thing that I carry inside my bag is my headphone. I can't live without my headphone because I have to listen to some sort of music. I also carry a hairband because if you're a girl, you know okay, by the end of the day you don't feel like your hair is flowing here and there. You feel like tying it up, so you need a hairband for that. Then what do we have? Okay, then I have my sunglasses. In case if I feel that I need them, I take it out and I look all fancy. These are basic cat eye sunglasses and I got it from a local market. It costed me only rupees 150, so it was a steal. One thing that I'm little embarrassed about but I wanted to show to you guys is like I always carry one fruit inside my bag. Today I have one banana. Sometimes I have one apple. I have to carry some sort of fruit because I don't like to eat outside. In case if I feel hungry, I just grab a fruit and have it. Don't judge me for that. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, so this is my emergency kit. In this particular kit, I have all my medicines, then a sanitary pad, then a perfume, then few hair clips, everything that I need, like not the fancy things but the essential ones. So I have this bag. Whichever handbag I'm carrying, I just like to put this inside that handbag and I'm ready to go. The last thing and my most favorite thing is this one. This is a tiny perfume that I carry inside my handbag. So this came inside a PR hamper. I don't know the brand's name but the smell is so nice. I love it, and once this bottle is over then I can't get it ever because I don't know the name. I don't like to carry a huge bottle of perfume inside my bag because those are very heavy. So I like to carry this tiny perfume, and most of the time my friends ask like where is it from, but I don't know the details, but I love it. So those are all the things that I carry inside my handbag. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're seeing my face for the first time, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this community. I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye!